Good afternoon. I just can't believe that how fast the weeks slip past, and I think it's good for us to take time out every now and again to say, well, if the time is going past quickly, is that because we're busy? And if it's because we're busy, are we adding value to the lives that we lead and the jobs that we do? And I think that's really important. I think it was Rohn that talked about, adding value, and we don't, sell our time, we sell the value that we bring to the market, as he calls it. And the more value we bring to the market, the more valuable that we are. And I think for me, it's in the space that I'm working in, working with companies to help develop and grow those businesses in a whole variety of different ways. I have to say to myself each week, well, have I presented value to those companies, the clients of mine that I'm working with, the companies that I'm a shareholder in as well? Have I given them value in return for, what I get back in return? So maybe there's a lesson for all of us there, just to, once a week maybe, just have a think over the week that's just been. What have we actually been doing? Have we been busy? If we've been busy, have we been adding value to others and to our own businesses? And if we have, then I think we can feel fairly satisfied with that. And then again, maybe it's a reminder for the week to come that we can then start saying to ourselves, well, what plans have we got to add value for next week as well? And are we continuing to push forward and to develop and grow our own businesses, irrespective of whether we're helping other businesses to, exceed and grow and develop in their own way? So I'll just pass it on to you, just a sort of tip for the week really, maybe. Review what we've done in the last week and say, have we added value to our own businesses and to maybe other businesses that we're helping as well? Those businesses might be our customers or our clients. And in the same way, perhaps just looking forward, taking a little bit of time out, planning our week ahead and saying, okay, what value do we intend or design to add to our clients and our customers in the week to come? Anyway, look, I'll let you get on. Have a good day.